First of all, I welcome you all in our first lecture, Introduction to Java. In this session, the our course is contained the basics of Java, which is distributed in fourth unit. We are going to start with our first unit, that is introductory part of the Java. In today's session, we have to see Java and the OOPS concept, history of Java, essential of the programming language like Java, that is why Java is in demand or why it is different from the other language, features of Java, what makes Java different from other language, Java programming paradigm and basic syntax of Java. But before starting the lecture, I would recommend the two books for the study material for student as a study material for student. The complete reference Java 2 10th edition by Tata McGraw-Hill and Programming with Java by E. Bal Guruswamy. Now we will proceed further for history of Java. James Gosling, called as a father of Java. He has the team member of three people, James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patrick Norton. Initially this team called as Green Team, and they have started one project named as Green Talk, which has an file extension .gt. Later this project later this was called as OIC, which was further named as Java. Now before giving the name as Java, they have selected two names, one is Revolution and Silk, but finally the James Gosling selected Java, as it is the meaning of Java is coffee, and also it is a unique name, and it has said that James Gosling loved coffee. Firstly, the Java was designed as a small embedded system for the TV's top set-top box. But after increasing its popularity and with the full maturity, Java is used in internet programming, Android application, e-businesses, etc. Features of Java. Java is known as simple language. It is very easy to learn. Its syntax is very easy. You can write the syntax normal in the notepad, which we will see later in this session. Java has removed many complicated features, for example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. Java is also called as object oriented. Everything is revolve around the object. An object is a real and object is used to connect the Java to a high level language with the real world example. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of object that incorporate both data and behavior. Now next one is platform independent. Java is also called as platform independent because it is different from the other languages like C, C++, which are compiled into platform specific machine, while Java write once and run anywhere language. It can run on multiple platforms like Linux, Windows, etc. Java is most secured language. It runs inside the virtual machine, which make it secured. Java is also called as robust. Robust means strong. Java has a strong memory management. It has a lack of pointer that avoid the security problem. It has an automatic garbage collection which made Java and robust machine. Multi-threaded. Java has a unique feature called multi-threaded, which is used for multimedia and web application. Java is a dynamic language. It support the dynamic loading of the classes, which means the classes are loaded when it required as per the program. Now, when we are seeing the graph, we saw that Java is mostly in demand. All the features which has a unique combination which make Java different from the other languages, other high level languages, with the with other features which make it more popular, such as it has parallel and distributed developing language, it offered backward compatibility, and it has the reliability and high performance language, and that is why Java is more in demand as compared to the other high level language. Why Java is different? Java is platform independent. It is widely used in Windows, web-based enterprise and mobile application. Java was designed and created as an interpreter for printing system. Java uses compiler and interpreter both. Java source code is converted into bytecode at compilation time. The interpreter executes this bytecode at runtime and produces the output. Everything is an object in Java. It is single root hierarchy, as everything gets derived from Java lang object. Now we have to see the Java programming paradigm. Encapsulation. The encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, these are also called as main features of the object oriented languages. Now first one is encapsulation. Technique of wrapping data and code together into single unit is called as encapsulation. For example, in medicine, we have a capsule which is a combination of more than one medicine which is used for one disease. Inheritance, one object acquires the properties and behavior of a parent object. For example, the parent class is fruit and derived class is mango. Now, since mango is a fruit, so it acquires the property and the behavior of the fruit class, such as sweetness, such as ripening, and the raw of the fruits, such as behavior means it is a seasonal or regular fruit. Next one is polymorphism, the ability of variable, object or function to take the multiple form. For instance, animal, the class name is animal. It has a method called as sound. Then it has two more subclasses, cat and dog. Both overrides with the sound. Now it has the same variable as animal. It has the same function of making the sound, but the making of the sound of cat and dog are different. It has a multiple form. Next is abstraction. Abstraction act as an act of representing essential feature without including background details. For example, if we will consider the real-time example as an ATM machine, we know how to insert the ATM card in the machine for withdrawing the money. This act is an essential feature. Withdrawing money is an essential feature, whereas the background detail, how the money come from the machine to the customer, we are unknowing this, or we are not interested to know the background function. Thus, the hiding of the background function and only concentrating on the essential feature is process. This process is called as abstraction. The next is Java for base. Now, next point is we have to go through the basic syntax of the Java. But before that, we have to set the Java environment. For setting the Java environment path, we have to set the Java program in program files in Java folder with JDK directory. For this, we have to click on the My Computer. We have to select the properties. we have to click the environment variable in the advanced step, and we have to select the or set the path. This path, when we are considering the C programming files Java JDK dictionary directory, so our path will be C programming files Java JDK bin. Now the basic structure of the common editors for the Java. The most common editor for the Java is Notepad, which is easily available on the Windows machine, and we can run the program on the DOS. So NetBeans and Eclipse, these two are the Java IDE and open source, which is available with the help of these two, which is easily available by downloading these two web addresses. Eclipse, a Java IDE developed by Eclipse open source community, and it can be downloaded from this. Next is Java basic syntax. Public class hello, public static void main string args, system.out.println welcome. This complete code we can write in the Notepad. Once this code is written, we have to save the file with the class name. The important part is this is a case sensitive language. So whatever will be the class name is the same as your file name by which you will save this file in the Java folder. So save this file as filename.java. So here our file name is hello.java. Open the command prompt window, go to the directory, assume that it is in C drive. Now for execution of the file hello.java, we have a command javac hello.java, and we have to press the enter. Once we press the enter, it will compile the code. If there is no error, then then the command prompt will take you in the next line, and in the next line again we have to type the executable command, that is java hello, java file name, and it will give the output as whatever we will write here, system.out.println in the double quotes. It will give the output as the same as whatever we will write here in the double quotes. This function will work the same as printf function in the C language. Both has one common thing, both are the case sensitive language. With this, I end this session. We'll continue the next. Thank you.